Hello everyone. Welcome to the next video of Forestry Techzz. Startle with dangerous moves and monster saw blade. Startle with dangerous moves and monster saw blade. That's all in this video. Let's watch and comment on the dramatic situation. That's all in this video. Let's watch and comment on the dramatic situation. It was so sudden and horrible. A helicopter like a dragonfly hovering in the sky. It has a wooden claw machine. Like a guy is fishing for a big fish. Finally he succeeded in catching a giant wooden fish. It was a beautiful sight. A heavy truck is delivering wood for a lumberjack competition by strong men. These guys cut with great passion and precision. This competition seems very physically demanding. I think the winner will get a lot of prize money. Transition 1 LS855E logging shovel. I tried but could not master this machine. It is really a monster that rules the whole forest. It is very powerful when working. But it is really difficult to control it to our liking. To operate this machine smoothly and efficiently, I think it takes a person with a lot of experience in logging. Next is a scene of a 2.5-ton Owlite 928 LF wood clamp with a chainsaw blade mounted on the head. Dominating a forest. With its performance, I am quite impressed and like this machine. A small wood crusher for home use and a young man working hard is the next scene we are seeing. It looks small, but the product it grinds out really changed my perspective on this machine. This scene made me bring out an extra blanket to sit and comment. It was so cold. I think of Christmas with my family around the warm fire. So happy and fun, right? Back to the scene before. After skillfully picking up the huge logs, then it showed its strength to bring them to the sawmills. I really enjoy heavy-duty and versatile machines like this. It is much more efficient than the old machines from about a decade ago. Another Kessler 2009 LT multifunction wood cutting machine is standing in front of us. It works tirelessly, removing all obstacles, big and small, on its path, around the area it is working in. Clean branches and cut wood decisively. I really wish I had such a machine. What about you? Leave a comment. Is a giant wood grinding machine. Large logs are being fed into its giant mouth with powerful teeth to chew and devour. Very scary. Right? The operating process looks simple but actually requires a high level of precision from the operator. The operating process looks simple but actually requires a high level of precision from the operator. I would give this machine a perfect 10 for its performance and the benefits it brings to people. In the next scene, I invite you to admire a TMK 400 tree cutter. At first glance, I think it is very fast and flexible. You see, when just one control operation, it cuts off a large tree trunk in just 2 to 3 short seconds. A deadly and terrible machine. I think so. A heavy vehicle weighing about 20 tons and integrated with a powerful wooden claw machine that we are seeing. The woodworking clamp has a very large clamping unit but is very precise and efficient. I think they were made to work together. After picking up enough wood, about 30 tons of wood is being transported to neighboring wood factories. Oh my god! The heaviest multi-purpose wood truck I have ever seen. It is truly #1 in the modern and advanced vehicles in the logging industry. Finally, the scene of two guys using a large chainsaw to cut down a tree next to their house. That is also the ending scene of today's video. If you find it interesting and impressive, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to support me. Thank you.